Is Wendy Williams setting the wheels in motion for a TV comeback? This as her fight to get out of her conservatorship rolls on. Welcome, everyone, to Entertainment Tonight.
We begin with Wendy's daytime TV return, becoming her own hot topic, calling into The View.
Get off my neck. How dare they say I have incapacitation? I do not.
When you listen to Wendy, what do you hear?
I hear someone who's very angry.
It's time for my money and my life to get back to status quo.
Wendy begged for her freedom, phoning into The View for 11 minutes and demanding change.
I need a new guardian, and then I'll get out a guardian.
But could Wendy's tough talk backfire? Do you think that helps or hurts? We spoke with two experts, guardianship attorney Tamar Armanak and legal analyst Trey Lovell.
Going on The View is certainly not the best way to convince a judge.
It is a worry and it is a concern. I wouldn't want her giving interviews.
As for Wendy returning to TV full-time,
I'm a global, international person, from radio to television.
How you doing? I'm doing better now.
Wendy says she can't really move forward until she has a new judge overseeing her case and a different guardian. The Wendy we see today, would you allow her to go back on TV or on the radio?
I would hesitate to send her back out until it's clear that she would be able to handle the strict scrutiny that comes from being in the public eye.
You've been really open about your past struggles with drugs and with alcohol.
I will liquor when I liquor.
I lost over a decade of my life being hooked on cocaine.
I am easily going on with my life alcohol-free. No more alcohol, thank you.
These types of conservatorships would be the wrong mechanism to use to try to prevent Wendy from drinking or having substance issues.
Let's get to the news now. On Gene Hackman's estimated $80 million fortune, are his three children gearing up for a fight after being cut out of his will?
Family's everything.
You've got two spouses who essentially are leaving everything to the other. However, they both have passed away. Now it's open to interpretation and lawyering. There's going to be litigation that's going to be extensive.
Gene may have been estranged from each of his kids at some point. His two daughters, seen in California the day after news of his death broke, told ET they were devastated by the loss. Meanwhile, brother Christopher is working with a prominent lawyer.
I unfortunately was off doing what I thought was important work, early on when my kids really needed me.
The fact that he had advanced Alzheimer's is important. Maybe Gene Hackman, when he signed it, wasn't of sound mind. There may be a lot of different ways, potentially, to challenge the will. A final resolution, that could be years.
Do they appear to be awake or alert?
No.
The administrator of Hackman's estate just filed these documents requesting photos, video, and body cam footage from the scene be blocked from release. We know Betsy died from a virus spread by rodents. Gene passed away around 7 days later. With his wife gone, it appears he wasn't able to completely care for himself. The coroner's report revealing his stomach was empty. The timing of who died first is important.
Betsy's will says that if Gene is alive, her property assets go to him. Gene survived her by about a week. However, in Betsy's will, it says, in order to survive me, it has to be longer than 90 days. Thus, everything's going to go to charity.
There's already a lot of buzz around Another Simple Favor, streaming in May amid the rumored friction between its stars Blake Lively and Anna Kendrick.
Anna, what does it mean to be working with Blake again?
But when it comes to Blake's nuclear feud with Justin Baldoni, a judge just decided to keep some info in the case on lockdown.
You want it? Don't give it to us.
This week's ruling regarding the protective order, the judge kind of split the baby. Only the attorneys can see the material produced, not the clients. And that is applied to very sensitive information.
We know Taylor Swift has already been dragged into the drama, but could Ryan's bestie, Hugh Jackman, also make an appearance if this case goes to trial as planned next year? Deadpool and Wolverine was shot right after It Ends With Us, and Hugh did help promote the film.
What is your favorite thing about our friendship in real life?
That I could tell you anything.
If Hugh Jackman was privy to certain statements that Blake Lively made regarding Justin Baldoni, or had any knowledge about what happened on the set, he certainly could be a witness and certainly worth talking to.